This is some honey and molasses salmon. Hey guys, welcome back to Shell's Island Flavor. This is a quick, easy recipe with some salmon where I used some honey and molasses to prepare this in. So I seasoned my salmon, and I will leave at the end of this video another salmon video that I used. I will not leave any seasonings in the description box on this. I used olive oil to fry this, and I added some garlic. I did maybe 4 cloves of garlic, and I combined the molasses with the honey. I mixed this in, and then I sprinkled a little cornstarch on the salmon to fry this, to deep fry this. And this was tasty. So here I'm just adding a little there you can see I coated with a little cornstarch, and I'll be frying this in the minced garlic with my red pepper, and you will see the finished. And I serve this with a little pasta that I made, Alfredo pasta that I made. For the salmon, I seasoned with a little black pepper, a little cayenne pepper. I used some Old Bay and a little fish seasoning. Salmon already has a little taste. I did not use any salt because the seasonings already had salt in it. However, I just deep fry this for a quick, easy to go dinner. Quick and easy. And then as normal, I just squeeze a little lemon juice on it. What's salmon without a little lemon juice? Yes, so I just deep fry this in the molasses and the honey. You know, the honey is sweet, the molasses also has a sweet taste. I just fry this. I didn't do like a sauce at the end of the day. The flavor was really, really good. So you can try this out. Quick and easy. Salmon is always easy to prepare. This could have also been prepared in the oven. However, I would normally make the sauce on the stovetop, and then I would bake the salmon in the oven and then just sprinkle with the sauce. But this time I deep fried on the stove. And for salmon, you have to make sure if it's frozen, you allow to thaw out. No water to thaw out. You leave to thaw out, and then you use paper towel to dry to make sure you get all the water out, because salmon does not take a long while to cook. Again, see the finished product. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please set your notification bell. See you soon. Love you all.